So, good day everyone. So, our topic is all about NECA, or what we call National Electrical Contractors Association. So, what is NECA? So, NECA, or the National Electrical Contractors Association, is in the process of developing installation standards for electrical construction work. So, they have also developed electrical safety standards with emphasis on their members in many cases. So, these standards are being adopted by ANSI. So NECA, or the National Electrical Contractors Association, plays a crucial role in developing installation standards for electrical construction work. So these standards are designed to ensure that electrical systems are installed safely and efficiently. So NECA also develops electrical safety standards, which are specifically tailored to the needs of its members. Also, the ANSI, or the American National Standards Institute, is a private or non-profit organization that oversees the development of voluntary consensus standards for a wide range of industries, including the electrical industry. So when NECA develops standards, they often align with ANSI's criteria for standards development. So also, ANSI can then choose to adopt NECA's standards as national standards, which means that they become recognized and accepted as the standard of electrical construction work and safety practices across the United States. This process helps to ensure consistency and safety in electrical installation and operation. So next slides, the National Electrical Contractors Association, or NECA, is one of the oldest and largest electrical contractors association in the United States. It was founded in 1901 and represents over 4,000 electrical contracting firms across the country. So NECA members are responsible for a large percentage of the electrical construction work in the United States, including power distribution, lighting, telecommunication, and renewable energy systems. So, the NECA is a prominent organization in the United States, so founded in 1901. So, it boasted a membership of over 4,000 electrical contracting firm, making it one of the largest association of its kind. So, NECA members are involved in the wide range of electrical construction projects across the country. So, including these are power distribution, lighting, telecommunications, and renewable energy systems. So, this means that NECA's influence and standards significantly impact the electrical industry's practices and development in the United States.
So good day everyone, I am Tom Jimji Serbas and I want to continue the report about of NICA, and my topic is the purpose of NICA. So the purpose and objectives of NICA are to present, promote and advance the interests of electrical contracting industry and the consumer who use this service, and we promote and encourage efficient, safe and economical electrical installation. So the statement outline is and or and the goals of the electrical contractors association, or NICA, which include advocating for and enhancing the interest of both electrical contracting industry and the consumer who utilize these services. NICA aims to foster efficient, safe and cost-effective electrical installation while promoting the industry advancement. Next is NICA serves its members by providing training, education, advocacy, and networking opportunities. The association offers various programs and resources to help electrical contractors stay up to date with industry trends, regulations, and best practices. This includes safety training, technical workshops, business management seminars, and industry publication. So, so it means that National Electrical Contractors Association or NECA illustrates and support its member through training, education, advocacy, and networking opportunities. So, we all know that nga ato ang generation ron kay more naman sa technology, so that NECA offers and diverse programs and resources to help electrical contractors remain informed about industry developments, regulation, and optimal methodologies. This includes safety training sessions, technical workshops, seminar on business management, and access to industry publications. So, itong generation ron kay kailangan na natin mag-unity like sa mga contractors nato kay tibali pohon kay may engineer naman ta. For example, may engineer na ta, so need gyapon nato ng mga purposes kay para sa atong mga customer or mga contractors and etc. So the next is so that ang kailangan naman sa mga industry ron is active nga mga constructor or mga active para dali ra mo ang project, so that ang purpose pa na sa NECA is NECA is also actively involved in advocating for the interest of electrical contractors at the local, state, and federal levels. The association works to promote fair competition, responsible regulation, and favorable business conditions for its members. Additionally, NECA collaborates with other industry stakeholders such as manufacturers, suppliers, and labor unions to address common challenges and advance in electrical construction and in industry as well. So, it means that ang purpose gid sa NECA is mag-advocate sila para sa mga interesting sa mga electrical engineer or sa mga electrical contractors para sa mga competition, mga fair competition, and mga responsible regulation. So, NECA's engagement in advocating for the interest electrical contractors across different levels of government, local, state, and federal. So, mo to ang ingon nga need jud sila mag-advocate kay para makuan ang interest sa electrical kay para competition sila like sa mga lain bansa or sa diriya sa local lang. So, business environment for its members. Moreover, NECA collaborates with various stakeholders like manufacturers, suppliers, and labor unions and tackle shared obstacles to propel the electrical construction sector forward. So, para sa competition, like mag-competition ka sa mga lain bansa or sa locals, so kung advantage mo sila kung madaog ka ng competition kay dagay mo kuan sa mga suppliers o sa mga labor union sa kanang mga constructor. So mora to kung kuan sa report ka ng purpose of NECA. Thank you.
Good day class, good day sir. My name is James C. Adlawan and today I'm gonna discuss to you the training and education of the National Electrical Conductors Association chapters. Training and education. Identify training needs relating to inside electrical, power line and video data voice system construction and maintenance, and then develop training that can be delivered at NECA chapters. So why do we need this training and education when entering the NECA chapters? So, first of all, training and education within the National Electrical Contractors Association or the NECA are vital for several reasons. First, electrical works involves intricate systems and technologies that requires specialized knowledge and skills to handle safely and effectively. Secondly, training ensures that electrical constructors stay updated with the latest industries, standards, codes, and regulations, promoting compliance and safety in their work. Thirdly, NECA's training programs provide opportunities for professionals to learn about emerging technologies and innovate practices, helping them stay competitive in the market. Additionally, education fosters a culture of continuous improvement and professionalism within the electrical contracting industries. Moreover, Through NICA trainings initiatives, contractors can enhance their business management skills and enabling to run their companies more efficiently and profitably. Furthermore, training helps to address skill gaps within the workforce, ensuring that there are competent and qualified professionals available to meet the demand of electrical industries. Moreover, NICA's educational offerings often include apprenticeship programs with play a crucial role in developing the next generation of skilled electricians and contractors. Ultimately, by investing in training and education, NICA and its members contribute to the overall quality, safety, and reliability of electrical work across various sectors, from residential to commercial and to industrial projects. Contractors. NICA set the standard for traditional and integrated electrical systems and lead the industry in the practical application of new technologies. Our members offer their clients superior performance and are committed to delivering quality results. Our contractors are the experts at the top of their field. Contractors within the National Electrical Contractors Association or the NICA play a pivotal role in the electrical industries. They are responsible for overseeing and executing a wide range of electrical projects, including residential, commercial, and industrial applications. NICA constructors are highly skilled professionals who undergo rigorous training and education to ensure competence and proficiency in their field. They adhere to strict industry standard codes and regulations to guarantee the safety and quality of their work. NICA contractors often collaborate closely with architects, engineers, and other stakeholders to design and implement electrical systems that meet the needs of their client. These constructors are also involved in project management, overseeing budgets, timelines, and resources to ensure successful project completion. NICA contractors are committed to delivering exceptional service and maintaining the highest level of professionalism and integrity in all their endeavors. They stay updated on the latest technologies and advancements in the electrical field to provide innovative solutions to their clients' needs. Additionally, NICA contractors actively participate in industry associations and organizations to stay connected with peers and stay informed about industry trends and best practices. Overall, NICA contractors are integral members of the electrical community, driving innovation, excellence, and safety in every project. Outreach and communication. In order to outreach and communicate with the clients to the contractors, first of all is develop and disseminate information through print and electronic media, including links from OSHA's and NICA's websites. Second, speak, exhibit, or appear at the NICA Expo meetings or other events. Third, cross-train OSHA personnel and industry safety and health professionals and best practices are effectively approached as jointly determined by OSHA and NICA. And lastly, promote and encourage NICA's members' participation in OSHA's cooperative program, such as compliance assistance and the consultation programs. NICA will act as mentors to members that aspire to excellence in safety and health. So, NICA is they want to outreach and communications to their clients, so they develop information like print and electronic media, including links from OSHA and NICA's website to communicate with their clients or the customers. Promoting the national dialogue on the workplace safety and health. Raise other awareness of and demonstrated their own commitment to work safety and health whenever NICA leaders addresses groups. Share informations on NICA's worksites best practice as jointly determined by OSHA and NICA. with others in the industry through outreach by NICA and other OSHA or NICA develop training programs and materials. Promote their implementation through print or electronic media at conference or by other means. Convene or participate in forums, roundtable discussion, or stakeholders meetings on electrical contacting industry problems to help forage innovative solutions to electrical and associated of health issues in the workplace. So, NICA focuses on promoting the workplace safety and health through various initiatives. First, NICA leaders prioritize raising awareness and demonstrating their commitment to safety whenever they address groups. Secondly, they share information on best practices from NICA worksites, determining jointly by OSHA and NICA through outreach programs and training materials. Thirdly, NICA promotes the implementation of these practices through media channels, conference, and other means. Additionally, NICA convenes forums, roundtable discussion, and stakeholder meetings to address industry-specific safety and health challenges. These efforts aim to foster innovative solutions to electrical and construction safety issues. In summary, NICA's approach involves education, dissemination of best practices, and collaborative problem solving to enhance workplace safety nationwide. Thank you.
Hello, good day everyone. I am Clyde Kaintik and I'm going to discuss the benefits of NICA or National Electrical Contractors Association. So, one of the key benefits of NICA membership is access to the association's extensive network of contractors, industry experts, and resources. Members can connect with peers, share knowledge and experiences, and collaborate on projects through NICA's various regional chapters and national events. So, NICA's membership offers unparalleled access to a robust network of contractors, industry experts, and resources, which stands as a cornerstone benefit for electrical contractors. Through NICA's regional chapters and national events, members can connect, collaborate, and learn within a vibrant community of professionals. Networking opportunities facilitate the exchange of ideas, foster partnerships, and open doors to new business ventures. Additionally, NICA's network serves as a hub for knowledge sharing, enabling members to access insights, best practices, and industry trends that drive continuous improvement and innovation. Collaboration on projects is facilitated through associations network, allowing contractors to pool resources and expertise and capabilities to tackle larger and more complex endeavors. Access to industry experts and resources further enhance the value of NICA's membership, providing members with guidance, support, and access to cutting-edge information and tools. So here are the list of numerous resources that NICA produces. So first is addressing business, project management, labor relations, codes and standards, safety, marketing, government affairs, regulations, and technical issues. So overall, NICA's extensive network empowers electrical contractors to thrive, grow, and succeed in ever-evolving industry landscape.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Renel I. Cordova. So, for today, I'm going to continue the discussion about the NICA organization. It says that NICA National Office is located at Washington, D.C., and it stated there that there are 4 regional offices and 118 local office to that organization. Then, it says that NICA is a chartered organization. When we say chartered, it means having a rights and a privilege established, like advocacy, education, research, and develop their standard developments. Then It develops effective labor agreements and market initiatives. When we say market initiatives, it means that having a new ideas, campaigns, and even a solution for a new problem or a previously solution for a problem. Then we have here an example, the Colombian River Maintenance and Corporation, or the CREM. Then it is a power distributor. It is one of the example of NICA. Then it install cables tray, feeder cable, and paper hill box. So that would be all. Thank you.